Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So last night, a bunch of more digital coupons that are valid right till September the 30th. Let's pay attention to that date. Started popping up in our Walgreens account. So definitely go and check and load them and make a deal happen. A lot of you are asking right now how to use them. So we're going to be doing a little deal right till the 24th, which is Saturday. So this is kind of confusing. The front end of this video are little paper deals. However, because these coupons are valid till September the 30th, we have months out, like 100+ days to use them. So for these two specific deals that we're looking at, we're going to be using the booster, which is either 10 back when you spend 25 or 10 back when you spend 20, pairing it with this, which is 5 back when you spend 20 on P&G products. And we're doing this as a curbside pickup. So this is going to be for a curbside only. Because there are 2 spend offers in play, you have to use your debit card for the balance. Do the deals by Saturday the 24th. And it is your mileage may vary if you might get the same digital coupons like the 8 off of the CHARMIN or whatever. And the boosters such as a 10 back when you spend 20 or a 10 back when you spend 25 is of a one-time use. So if you used it last week, perhaps on Sunday you can craft a new deal with these digital coupons that are still active. So a lot of stuff to absorb. So if you're more of an experienced shopper and you want to do these deals, these are for you. So the first we're going to do a deal with this 10 back when you spend 25. We're going to be loading these 2 digital coupons, which is an 8 off CHARMIN and then a $5 off either the Bounty or the CHARMIN you pick. So into this first basket, guys, we are throwing in a CHARMIN for $16.99 and then a CHARMIN for $8.99. So the overall basket is $25.98. Curbside pickup is free. $13 in digitals coming off. With your debit card, pay $14.54. Get back $15 in Walgreens cash, $10 for the booster, and then $5 for the P&G promotion, making this free. Let's remember not to use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, or it's going to mess it up as there's 2 boosters in play. Okay, so the next booster that we're working with is a 10 back when you spend 20. I don't have one to show you, so let's use the power of imagination to pretend this is a 10 back when you spend 20, and I know a lot of you received that. So we have 2 coupons that showed up last night. The first is a 6 off of 4 for the PUFFS, and the single boxes are in fact included, and then a $2.50 off of the Bounty. So you're going to load both of these, and I know some people even got a $5 off of the Bounty. So either or, load these coupons, and that would be $8.50 off. To the basket, you have your paper towel for $8.99 and then 4 single boxes of the PUFFS with lotion for $11.96, and that caps you past your $20 mark for the spend 20, get back 10. And then just to show you, the $8.50 in digitals are melting off right here. Okay, so the basket $20.95, curbside pickup is free. We have a bit of tax, $8.50 in digitals coming off. With your debit card, pay $13.71, getting back $15 in Walgreens cash, $10 for spending 20. And then $5 for spending 20 on P&G products. So if you can make these happen by Saturday the 24th, make it happen. Alternatively, if you've already spent all of your boosters, starting on Sunday, there's a 4 back when you buy 2 of these paper products. So we'll be able to come up with another deal starting on Sunday the 25th. And also the digital coupons don't expire till the end of September. So like, hang on to your hat for a second. This isn't the end of everything. We'll be able to make a deal with everything next week, and it's going to still be a freebie. On Thursday morning, a lot of us received this booster, which is 20 back when you spend 40. So if you were following what I was saying in the last slide, like that's 50% return on investment for loyal Walgreens shopper. Obviously, your mileage may vary if you get these boosters, yay or nay. So a couple of rules for you guys. This one is valid from the 25th to July the 1st only. It stacks with paper boosters and it is of a one-time use. For the balance, use your debit card, credit card, or bills. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards or IVC coupons in concert with it because it might mess up the balance of the booster. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad with all of the digital coupons will be coming out on Sunday the 25th. So again, we're treating this video as a preview. Many of you have been asking what Pumpkin's been up to this summer. He got a job out west in Canada on a ranch with cattle, and he's been really lazy. I've been getting daily messages from the rancher, and they want to bring him back to Michigan. So this is a photo of him at work. It's not going so well. If you could give me this video a big thumbs up, and it would really mean a lot to me to really help out this channel. And I might bring him back to Michigan so he can help me on some coupon deals. But yeah, he's just really had an attitude with everybody. And this is him in the field working, not very hard. Okay, guys, so lots of deals of the week, and we're going to touch on these a little bit more in a quick second. But the first deal I want to talk about is with the Sheba cat food. And this one, you got to use the NANSA Enhance in the IBOTTA app to make sure that you're on the right page. So we're grabbing one of these variety packs for $8.29. We have this $4 digital. So you guessed it, you're going to pay $4.29. And this is where it gets interesting. IBOTTA is giving back a $4 rebate, and it does not exclude the use of a coupon. And in the fine print, like where to pick it up, not mentioned. So you can use this with IBOTTA. So here's the math for this one, guys, but double, triple check in case. One of these packs for $8.29, subtracting that digital coupon, pay $4.29, $4 back from IBOTTA. The final price is 29 cents. Even if you're a big dog person, it is kitten season right now. So I know a lot of SPCAs are looking for litter, food, anything to feed the cats. So, you know, if you want to do this deal, it would be a fabulous donation item. Okay, the next deal that we're going to look at is with the Secret deodorant, 2 for $13, 5 off 3 digital coupon. Do you keep one of these in your purse and in your car? Maybe I do. 3 of these is $19.50. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $14.50, getting back a $5 register reward, making it $9.50 for the 3 or $3.16 per deodorant. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're not doing this deal in concert with a booster. And with IBOTTA, if there might be a rebate for this guy, double, triple check the fine print, my friends. Now we're looking at the Pampers for all the parents out there. 2 for $21, $4 reward when you buy 2, and we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of those bags for $21, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $18, get back a $4 register reward, making it $14 for the 2 or $7 per bag. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this with this deal without a booster. Now this is where the ad gets interesting. $7 to $10 for the Dove men, Dove ladies, body wash and bar soap. $5 when you spend 15 or more. We have this 6 off of 2 digital. Please make sure you have it loaded, guys. So grabbing both a bar soap and a body wash, that should be 17. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay 11. Get back $5 in Walgreens cash. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance because it says spend in the verbiage. And double, triple check Fetch in case there's some sort of rebate for buying Dove or Unilever products. But it shakes it out to $3 per, so not the worst deal. Let's talk very quickly about some honorable mentions. The first is this one with the razors. If we get a bunch of really good digital coupons, this potentially could be something like, say we have $6 or $8 in manufacturers. Pairing it with this and then a $5 reward when you buy 1 or 2. We'll see what that is, but this possibly could be a deal. We'll have to wait for the fine print on Sunday morning. And then the shampoo, to spend $30, get back $10 reward. I want to see the digital coupons for Tresemme, Garnier, all the other ones that are included, and maybe we'll be able to Frankenstein a deal on Monday as a curbside with this. Moving it along with this body spray, if there's a digital coupon that shows up that's actually valuable, this might be potentially a deal. The Arm & Hammer is on a promotion of buy 1 get 2 for free. Typically they charge $7.99 for the first, so that would shake it out to $2.66. $1.99 week is a better deal. The Viva Cottonelle products are going to be $4.99. Typically they're upwards of like $7 or just like under $8. So this isn't bad, especially if you love the Viva paper towel. Moving it along, guys, we have the 4 for $4 for the theater size candy. So you're saving $1 right there. It's usually $1.99 per box. So not the worst deal. Loving that. And then the final deal of the week is 3 for $13.99 for the Pepsi and the $6.99 wonderful pistachios. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.